Who are you?
Your worst nightmare!
Bun.
Aw. Why did you have to help her? She trespassed.
I'm sorry. He was your friend, huh?
Kind of. He was more of a brother.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Well, since that's over, I must finish my job.
You know, I think it's my turn to fight back. Did.
Rules the bun. Do not fight me. Do not disturb me. Follow these rules. That means follow the third rule too.
Hey, Bun, can you get me that basket over there?
Sure.
Thank you. Dun dun dun.
TBC.
Woo!
You guys haven't subbed to me. Sub to me.
No!
Okay.
I can't.
And we're gonna do episode 2 and 1 together. So bye.
Bye.